Hi, Sheridan from the Training Designers Club here, and as you can see, I'm coming to you from my kitchen, which is most unusual, but there is a reason. The reason is I want to talk to you about kitchen gadgets, well, sort of a bit. How many do you have? How many do you use? And of those that you use, how many of the settings do you actually use? Now, I've got a slow cooker. It's very well used, big slow cooker. It has 3 settings. It has low, high and auto. If I'm organised and I can get all my food in there in the morning, it goes on low. If I have to go shopping and I can't get started until lunchtime, it goes on high. There really is nothing more to it than that, and it always produces an absolutely fabulous meal. I also love my soup maker. Gets a lot of use this time of year. It's got about 6 or 7 settings. I only ever use Program 2. Program 2 makes a perfectly good bowl of soup. Why would I consider using anything else? I've also got a bread maker, which my husband bought for me, even though I didn't really want one. It's got about 19 programs, no idea what any of them do. It's never created a great loaf of bread, so it tends to just live in the cupboard. And that's the thing with tech. If we can't access it and we can't use it to do what we want it to do quickly and easily, we tend to just shove it back in the cupboard. Exactly the same with our virtual training design. If we include too many options, if we make it overly complicated, we're going to lose people really quickly and really easily. Because don't forget, the training that we're designing is for the participants, it's not for us. So what we need to be able to do is to make it engaging the natural way, and we do that through really thinking about our design process. Not saying that these apps like Mural and Mentimeter can be helpful and useful, of course they can. What I am saying is they aren't necessary if you design it with the correct engagement in mind. And that is what my program Designing for Digital Delivery, starting on 1st of March, is all about. It's a design program. It's not a virtual training program, but we are looking at that design process with the expectation that we're going to be delivering virtually. So if that sounds like something that would be of use to you or of interest to you, do show your interest now, because I'm opening up bookings next week and you can secure your place.